Hey everyone! If a program on your computer ever freezes or stops responding, this video will show you exactly how to force quit it on Windows 10. This quick trick can save you time and a lot of frustration. The fastest way to force quit an app is by opening Task Manager. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape at the same time. When Task Manager opens, make sure you're on the Processes tab. Here, you'll see a list of all running apps and background processes. Look for the program that's not responding. Click once on the frozen program to select it. Then right-click and choose End Task. You can also click the End Task button in the bottom right corner. Keep in mind, force quitting will immediately close the app, so any unsaved work may be lost. Only use this when the program won't close normally. And that's it. The frozen program should now be completely closed and your computer should run smoothly again. This is one of the most useful Windows 10 shortcuts to know. Thanks for watching.